Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Welcome to Vlogmas number 4. Alright, so what are you guys doing today? Anything exciting? We just got back from the mall. It wasn't really crowded, which was nice. But every store you have to wear a mask, so that's kind of a good thing. And the border still is not open, so it makes it hard to get parcels because of the expensive shipping, international import taxes, so and the conversion, so it's kind of not worth it. So maybe next year, maybe not, so we'll see what happens there. And I have my rose gold locket bracelet that I had in my advent calendar yesterday. So I'm wearing it with my gold pieces and it goes together really well. So I thought that was kind of cool. So if you'd be so kind as to subscribe to my channel, because when I hit 500, I'm doing a fabulous giveaway. So you don't want to miss out. And make sure that you like all the videos and you give me a thumbs up, which is always appreciated. And make sure you ring my bell. Woohoo! Alright, so let's go ahead and have some fun. Alright, let's start with the Reese's Advent Calendar. It's kind of cool. And this one you have to kind of look for the numbers, which is, I kind of like that better. So here we go, number 4. Alright, let's go ahead and pop that one open. Alright, we got a red one. So I'll give that one to Ted, so he'll appreciate that. He said that the Reese's Advent Calendar is pretty good, so it's tasting pretty good. So that's cool, so I'll give that to him. And then we got in the homemade one, we got number 4. So let me go ahead and open that up. And I have a couple of unboxings as well. So we'll see what I got here. Alright, so this is Far Away Gold from AVON. So this smells really super good. And this is the gold version. Alright, let's go ahead and open that up. Oh, this is a cool bottle. Alright, this is the way this comes. Has a little tassel. And it says Avon Far Away Gold, and it's in black and gold, so this would make like an excellent gift. Pop off the top and spray away. That really smells great. Alright, so that is number 4 out of the homemade Advent Calendar. So I'll be using that. So that worked out pretty good. And what's your favorite song for Christmas? Any favorites? Anything like that? Any special ornaments that you have from a long time ago that you still have? Leave the comments below. I always like to hear it. And so does the other subscribers. They like to chime in. So I appreciate that. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to the first unboxing. This from the shopping channel in Canada. They only have one, so it's not like the States where they have QVC, HSN. Those are the main ones, but they have other ones too. So, alright, got my blade. Alright. Go ahead and open it up. Don't slice my finger like I did yesterday. I didn't slice it too hard, thank goodness. But these blades, you gotta really be careful because they can slice you fairly quick and you don't even realize it. Okay, we're in. All right, sorry about that, guys. Here we go. All right, the box hit it, so I'm back. All right, so we got paper. Okay, this is very cool. All right, this is my LOCKET advent calendar. So that came just in time. All right, so we'll be opening this one up. All right, so let's see how this goes. Oh, I see, okay. All right, so you gotta open it up kind of like this. Oh, I see, okay. All right. And you open it up and it has a little bus. This is very nice. This is really pretty. It's a pretty good size. And I thought this would be kind of fun too. All right, let's see here. All right, we have 1 through 4 to open. So let's see where 1 is. Okay, there's 3 there. Okay, these are kind of hard to see, especially if you're half blind. All right, I found 2 and 3. All right, I think I found 4. Okay, let's go with 2. I found that one. All right. Oh, okay, this is nice. So you get a shea butter. All right, looking forward to using that. And then we got 3 down here. Okay, and this is another hand cream. All right, so that's pretty cool. Okay, where is 1? Yeah, that's the fun of these advent calendars. I like to kind of look for them. That's kind of fun. We got 6. All right, so I'll be looking for 1 and, oh, I think I found 4. Okay, that's cool. Okay, this is another hand cream. It's lots of comb. All right, and I'm still searching for number 1. Yeah, that's kind of hard to see because they're all like pink and blue. Hey, I found number 1. Hallelujah. Ah. All right. So now we are updated. All right. So we'll go ahead and open the 5th one tomorrow for Vlogmas. And go ahead and sit that up. So that's pretty cool. And what I'll do too is I'll post a picture on Instagram. So make sure you follow Susan Srstyle. And you can see the new advent calendar. And then I got a FedEx box today. So let's go ahead and see what I got in here. So when I was at the mall, I got a call from FedEx and they said, "Can we leave it on the porch?" I said, "Sure, no problem." So they do call you, which is nice. All right, so this is bubble wrap. Pretty big thing here. All right, and this is my holiday bags from Louis Vuitton that was missing. So she gave me this size bag. She gave me a small bag, which is nice. And she gave me a big bag, but my wave bag is not here. And she was supposed to have put that aside for me when I got my California Dream perfume that I bought. It has a limited edition bag, and that's still not here. So I'm gonna have to ask her where it is. All right, so that is Vlogmas number 4. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on all the fun, and we'll get to you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Susan from Srstyle, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye now.